Hi students, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss about the C questions which are asked in GATE 2017. So let's discuss it. So this is the first question. It is question number 53 as per the set which I had considered. So here a C program is asked, and here it is asked what is the output for this program. So here you can see that this is the main function, and under this main function two character variables are being declared, and here one is this one is ABC and this is DEFGH, right. So after that this print line, this particular function is being called, and we had seen it. This is the function definition of this print length. So here your x is equal to this one and y is equal to this one, right. So here the C variable C is being initialized and declared and initialized to 0. So we have to find out the length, and the formula they had given is string length S. So what is your S? Here this S is x. So the string length of S is the string length of S is 3. So we can write str S is equal to 3, and for T, this T string length for T is equal to 5, because here you can see D, E, F, G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to see this condition. So what is your string length? So it is 3, right. String length, this one is 3 minus string length T is, this is 5. So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 2 I shall consider, because here it is declared about unsigned means whether it is a positive number or it is a negative number, the plus or minus, it does not matter, only matters is the value. So it is your 2. So what does it means? 2 greater than C. What is your C? C is your 0, right. It is being declared here. So your condition is fulfilled. So your answer will be this one. So what is your string length? As it is 3. So printf length. So length is equal to, so what it will be? It will be 3. Okay. So it is your 3. So the output of this program is 3. Okay. So this is question number 55. So in this question we are asked what is the output of this C program. So let us start. Though header file is given here, let us start from main. So here we can see is that the static variable is being declared, and the static variable is declared, and it is x, right. And so here we can see, and one more variable I5 is equal to 5, and this I, it is being here, and so we can write here. So for I is equal to 5, I greater than 0, I minus. So in this loop we have to go, then we have to go to this condition. So for I is equal to 5, the first what we can say for the first condition means the I is equal to 5 initialized, and it is this one, x plus total of I. Okay. What is your I? It is 5. So this particular step will repeat for x is equal to x plus total 4, x is equal to x plus total 3, x plus total 2, x plus total 1. So, every time we do this one, everyone will go to this function. Okay. So, let us start with the first one. So you can see here v, so and this is I. So, I is equal to 5 means what? V is equal to 5, as this one and this one it is being related. So, after that count plus v and 1. So, what is your v? V is your 5 and 1 is 1. Now, what is the value of 5 in terms, as we are going to do the AND operator? As we are going to do the AND operator, so value of 5 is 1 0 1 and value of 1 in terms of bit is 0 0 1. Okay. So, when you do the AND operator, so what is the AND operator we will be doing? 0 1 0 0 1 1 0, it will be 0 0 0 0 1. So, here it is. So, what we can write here, count it is 0 because it is initialized to 0 here, plus, so here what you had got 0 0 1, in decimal it is 1. So, 0 plus 1 it is 1. Okay. So, your count is equal to 1. So, count is equal to 1. Then what we will do after that? V is equal to 1. So, what is your V? Your V is, it is 1 0 1. We have to move in this way. How many times? 1 time. So, here it will be this one 0, as it will come here 1 0. So, what does 0 1 0 means? It is your V is equal to 2 now. Okay. And then, so your V is equal to 2, V is equal to 2, and so we will be doing the same process again. So, 1 plus 2 and 1. Okay. What is your 2? What is your 2? Your 2 is 0 1 0. What is your 1? What is your 1 in terms of in terms of bits? 0 0 1. So, it is 0 1 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0. So, this part, what it will be? It will be 0. Okay, in terms of it will be 1. Sorry, is 0. So, here it is your 1. Here it is 1. Okay. Now, then again, what you will do? You will do this one. So, so it is 0 0 0 1 0. Again, you will shift in this way. So, your V is equal to 0 0, as this will move here, this 1 it will move here. So, it will come this one and it is 1. So, your count, it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and it will return what? It will return? It will return 2. So, this one, for this expression, what is the value of x? Initially x is this one, it was 0 initialized, right? So, it will be 0 plus how much it is returned? They had returned it 2. So, it is 2. Okay. So, this is 2. Now, then coming to this one. So, x is equal to 2 plus total 4. Okay. So, again the same thing of count. So, we will write here count is equal to 2 plus 4 1. Okay. So, what is 4? What is the value of 4? Value of 4 is in terms of bits, it is you can write it is 0 1 1 and 1 is 1 0 0 1. So, again you do the AND operation. So, in the same process which we had done, just this one, this one. So, in same process you have to do, and you will get 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay. Then coming to V is equal to 2. So, count is equal to 2 plus 2 and 1. So, 2 plus 2 and 1, here you will get 0. So, answer is 2. Then V is equal to 1. So, count is equal to 2 plus 1 and 1 and it is 3. Okay. Same process you check it, because 1 is what 0 0 1, again 0 0 1. So, 0 0 1. So, 1 is this one 1. So, here it is actually 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. So, here coming to this one. So, here it is 2 plus 3. Okay. So, 2 plus 3 you will get, and it is 5. So, similarly you will get here for others also, and finally when you do the final total you do it till here. You have to do we have to repeat the same process again and again. You have to repeat the process again, all it is same. I had done for two steps, I had done it. So, remain just for practice you can do it, and finally all the total you will get this one, in this one you will get the answer, what is the value of x, that is the value of x. And finally when you do the entire thing, you will get this to be the answer. So, this is all about this question. I hope you had understood it. Okay, so coming to the next question, it is 102. So, in this question we are asked to find the we have to do the matching. So, here static char where it is a variable declared, a character variable declared in static mode. Then here it is a malloc memory location, and it is seen that it is being null, means the memory got lost. Then we have char pointer ptr10. So, here it is an array, character array, and here this is an integer variable var1 which is in registered which is being allocated to in CPU register. So, how to find out? So, register. So, it is very easy. So, here this one, it is this one. So, S3. So, where is S3? So, these two, right, S3. So, from here we have to find out. Then coming to R it is a character array pointer and it contains 10 memory location. So, here from this the remaining 3. So, here you can see that it is a sequence of memory store location to store addresses. So, from these two, so this is not and this is applicable. So, by default you can check here Q4, this one lost memory which cannot be free, and static character variable, memory variable located in data section of the memory. So, this is your answer. So, always in case of this type of question, always you have to be little bit tricky, because it may not be possible to find out all the maths you cannot find out if you go in the serial order, but you have to see the one which one you are more confident with, and then go with that one, and you can easily find out the solution. Then going to the next question. So, here C program, and C program is given to us, and we have to see what that particular function print xy, what it gives the output. Okay. So, you can see here, so print xy 1 comma 1. So, here means, so we have to see this one with this one with this one. So, your x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Now, so here we can see that x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, it is being declared. Then PTR is equal to ampersand x, and from here we can see that it is equal to 0. Alright. Then y is equal to pointer PTR, y is equal to pointer PTR, and as here from here we can see it is 0, so it is 0. So, y is equal to 0. Next, we have seen that this pointer PTR is being given assigned value 1. So, as this pointer PTR is pointing to 1, so x will be changed to 1. So, your variable x, so here your variable x also need to be modified, and it will be changing to 1. So, the printf, so coming to the value for x and y, so you can see that the value for x is 1 and the value for y is 0. So, your answer is 1 comma 0. Then coming to the next question. So, here in this question we have to see that some fragment, C program fragment is given to us, but whatever it is given, it does not matter. But the first thing and the most important one, they had given that condition, they were talking about a condition, and we have to do based on this condition, we have to see how it gets the loop terminates. Okay. So, among this, the 4 points, 4 solutions which are being given to us, we have to check for this condition, and according to that the answer we will do it. So, this is the condition given to us. Alright. So, let us define it, because here look, which is meant to divide x by y using repeated subtractions and so on. So, though they are writing so much, but everything is concentrated on this condition. So, we can define this one, x is the product, right, this is the output, whatever we do here, this is the output. Then y. It is in multiplicand, y it is in multiplicand, then q is a quotient, q is the quotient, and r is the remainder. So, this particular thing we had done it is just like the mixed fractions which you had done during your school days in mathematics. Mixed fraction, I think you had remembered how we used to do the things, right. So, same thing is being applied. So, I had just divided in the same way so that it becomes easy for us to identify. Now, so now the condition given is that at which condition the loop need to be terminated. So, when a loop is terminated or about to terminate, always remember one thing, that in that case the quotient will be equal to 0, means why quotient is equal to 0 means there is nothing more left to be divided. Okay, there is nothing more left to be divided, you cannot divide further. So, in that case, so q will be always 0, right. So, when q is equal to 0, then this whole portion becomes 0. When this whole portion becomes 0, then what it will be? It will be s is equal to r, right. So, your q is equal to 0 and x is equal to r. So, this is the only conditions which is being given, both the condition fulfills. Look, both the condition fulfills in our case. So, because if x is not equal to r, if q is equal to 0, then also it will not terminate. So, for that purpose this one is being rejected, this particular answer D, and the answer to this question is C. Okay. So, then coming to the next question. So, it is in this question, here a C program is given and we have to do the swapping of this, the contents of x, and do the swapping of concept of x and y. So, let us start with, so this is an array given to us. So, let me write here 3, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2. Okay. So, let me write in an array the memory location, sorry, this is 5 and this is the array name. Okay. So, done is equal to 0, a variable done is being initialized here, and we have to check when done is equal to 0. Alright. So, when done is equal to 0, it is done. So, done becomes 1. So, for I is equal to 0, so I is equal to 0, check for this if condition, array 0, that is I less than array 0 plus 1. Okay. So, what is array 0? Array 0 is 3, it is 3, this one, and 0 1 it is 1, this 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5, condition satisfied. So, when we get the condition satisfied, what happens? Let me redraw it again. So, there is a swapping between these two places. So, it will be 5, 3, 1, 4, 6, 2. Okay. So, same this is okay. Now, it was I is equal to 0. So, now I will be pointing here, I is equal to 1. So, here array, so again we will come to this condition, array 1 less than array 2. Okay. So, what is array 1? Array 1 it is 3, 3 less than array 2, it is 1. So, this condition is not satisfied. If this condition is not satisfied, so this particular thing is not required. And again coming to I is equal to 2. So, again checking for the array 2 less than array 3. So, array 3, so what is your array 2? Array 2 is, it contains 1 less than your array 3 is 4. This condition is satisfied. So, how does your structure will look like? 5, 3, 4, 1, 6, 2. So, I suggest all of you to every time draw the array, because otherwise we may get a confusion while doing this, while exchanging the values. Okay. So, next I plus plus, so I will be 3 now. So, your array 3 less than array 4, right. So, your array 3, what is this one? 1, 2, 3. So, array 3 is 1 less than array 4 is 4, your condition is satisfied. So, your redraw the array 5, 3, 4, 1, 6 and 2. So, your array will look in this way. Next, so array 3 I less than it is, sorry, array 4 is 6, it is 6, 1 less than 6. So, your structure will be 5, 3, 4, 4, 6, 1 and 2. Okay. Then I is equal to 4, array 4 less than array 5. So, what is your array 4? Array 4 is this one, 1 less than 2. So, 1 is less than 2. So, here the array will be restructured. So, it will be 5, 3, 4, 6, 2, 1. So, now you had done this for loop, right, and every time you exchange it, this done is equal to 0. So, your condition is satisfied, done is equal to 1 in that way, and in that way you go on doing. Now, done is equal to 0, when the condition is not satisfied, your done is equal to finally what you will do, you will go here, condition will be satisfied, you will do this one, but at this moment when you do it, this here the condition will not satisfied and you will come out of the loop, you will come out of this loop, but what will be your done value? Done is equal to 1. Okay. Now, coming to here, so you will do the process in reverse way. I is equal to 5. The same way, every time you redraw the array in this way. So what will happen finally? After this loop, the array look will be like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So finally, if you do in the same way which I had shown here, if you do in the same way, you will get this structure finally. Okay. So you will get this structure finally, and then when you come here, after this loop is completed, when you come here and they ask for at location 3, what is the value at location 3? So at location 3, here it is 3. So the answer is C. Okay. Then coming to the next question, that is a C program is given to us. We have to find out the output. So here value of m is equal to 10, it is given to us. Okay. So value of m is equal to given to us, then what we can see, n is equal to plus plus m. So plus plus m is 10 11. So your m also gets incremented, right? Next, n1 m plus plus. So as it is a post increment, so it will not reflect in n1, so it will remain 11, but it will reflect the value of m and it will come 12, because for this one only the post decrement thing will not reflect for n1, but m itself gets incremented, right? So for that purpose the value of m gets 12. So then come n minus minus this statement. So in that case n is equal to 10. Then minus minus n1, in that case in that case n1 is equal to 10. Then coming to this, n is equal, n minus is equal to n1 means n is equal to n minus n1, n minus n1. So what is your n? N is your 10. What is your n1? It is also 10. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So the output of this program is 0. Okay. Then coming to the next question. So here also it's in C program, and here within the main a character string is being given, get CSIT 2017. Alright, so let us make it as it is an array. So let us store the things G A T E C I T 2017. Okay, so here you can see that it is being stored in this array, and let me give the locations 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. So now, so pointer p is equal to C means the pointer p will be pointing at this location. So coming to this statement printf, so this is the main, so we have to find the string length. So the string length formula, it is given as C plus 2p minus 6p minus 1. Now actually what does it mean? C plus p of 2 means where, means pointer p pointing to location 2 minus pointer p pointing to location 6 minus 1. Okay. Now, so here as we are talking about this uppercase character sets, right, these all are uppercase. So as per ASCII character sets, how they do it is that for A it is 1, for B it is 2, C it is 3, in that way Z is equal to 26. Okay. So Z is equal to 26. So here C of, now let us see what is P of 2. P of 2 is this one. So your P of 2 is this one. So it is T minus P of 6, which is I minus 1. Okay. Then C plus T minus I. Why I have given it this one? So somewhere it will come I, and somewhere T also it will come. So what is the value of T? The value of T is 20 minus, what is the value of I? It is 9 minus 1. So C plus 20 minus 9, it is 11, 11 minus 1, it is 10. So C plus 10. Now, so our, what is C? C is the array. C is the array, and it gives the value of the starting address of the array, that is value of G, that is the value of G. Okay. So this is the value of G. So what is the value of G? What is the value of G in this list? The value of G, when you will search the value of G, so here it is actually G plus 10. So what is the value of G? Value of G is actually 7. So here somewhere you will get, and you will get G is equal to 7. So 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. So here we have asked the string length. We are asked the string length, and the string length is here is 1, 2. So your string length is 2. So this is all about the question. So I hope you had understood the video and the problems. Till then, see you, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy.